Hello, what's up guys? In this lecture, I am going to talk about the basic interface of Camtasia Studio. So let's get started. Here we see different type of tab. In media tab, we can add different type of media. For example, images, video. There are also a library tab. In this library tab, we can see some built-in media files are available in this section. In annotation tab, we can add different type of annotation. In different tab, we can see there are many type of annotation available in this software. In transaction tab, there are many built-in transactions available in Camtasia Studio. By going one screen to another screen, we can add beautiful transaction effect by using drag and drop from here. In behavior tab, we can add different type of custom behavior in our text. And in animation tab, we see zoom in pan available here. We can easily zoom in and zoom out our video or screen here. Under animation tab, there are also animation tab available. There are different type of animation available here. They are built in actually in Camtasia Studio software. We can use them easily. In cursor effect, when we record our screen using this software, we can add our mouse cursor effect by using this. In voice narration tab, we can manually add our voice using this feature. Simply start voice recording and it records your voice. In audio effect, we can add different type of audio effect in our voice or video clip voice or video clip sound. There are also some built-in visual effect available. In interactivity tab, we can add a quiz to timeline. To adding subtitle by simply clicking add caption. This is our canvas. We can customize this canvas. Basically, this is our preview section. When you add different type of media file here, we can see the preview in our canvas. We can change our media properties from here. And finally, this is our timeline. We can add different type of video clip, audio clip, text, transaction, behavior, etc. This is basically the basic overview of Camtasia Studio software. Thanks for watching.